coming in, they have a monitor, and then you have the buyers there and checking the quality of the tuna, fat content, temperature. I don't see any cloud in that cut. Yeah.
What'd she say about a
Galuk fat? Galuk is naman. But there's lots of fat in it. Usually back in the day, they'd be fighting over your tuna, like a bidding war. Now you're even lucky if you have somebody at the board, really. That's what it seems like. But are you going to check the temperature? Oh, okay. I won't find out until Saturday what it went for in yen. It was 622 pounds and it was 480 dressed. That's a lot of tuna, yeah.